Welcome back to the Keystone Hiker. Today I just came out again, found another bug out area that I come to. This is along Clark's Creek in Dauphin County, Pennsylvania. I just come out here, sunshine, snow, frozen creek, beautiful weather to be out here. It's getting out of the single digits now. It's going to be high as a 20, so the past couple days it's been in the single digits and well below single digits with the wind chill. So 20s feels like a heat wave. So I just came out here. I want to do some filming along this Clark's Creek here. There should be some beautiful shots. So stay with me and thanks for joining me here, the Keystone Hiker. Shot here, huh? Not too many people like the snow, but sure is pretty. Sure helps everything else look pretty too. All right, if you remember last time, I had made a cup of coffee here in the woods. But now I'm gonna just have a snack, a good snack to give you good protein and stuff to get you on your way. Now, obviously I packed heavy here because I know I ain't gonna be out very long, hopefully. If everything goes right? So what it is the only kind of peanut butter ever was and ever will be is Peter Pan. And honey, which if you can get local honey, that's probably a lot better. But honey's honey is really good for you and it don't go bad. And then you need just a flour wrap. tortilla wrap, whatever it is. Take your, I bet you this wasn't even open. It was not. So you open this, and just leave it on there. You'll take your peanut butter, and of course, now you can gauge this however you like. I like peanut butter, and I'm really taking a liking to honey. As you know, if you're watching my other videos, I put peanut butter on just about everything. My oatmeal in the mornings, you know. If I'm taking peanut butter or snacks on a hike, it's peanut butter snacks. And always remember, if you're going to do stuff like this, take it with whatever you're bringing out. And you take your honey and you put her on there. Again, however much you like. And of course, I find if you roll in both ends and then fold across, that way the honey don't drip out. Voila, you have a good, quick snack that gives you a lot of protein and a lot of energy for the trail. So again, you don't have to travel hours away. If you find a good place, this is a game land area, good fishing stream that's really close to my place. I took you on another place up in game lands. Find places like this to come during times like this. You know, it's close. You don't have to bring a ton of stuff, but yet you feel, you know, you can get out here and just do what you got to do, you know. If you just like to come out here and look at the nature, which is Mother Nature is everybody's mother. You can do that. You come out here and sit and think. You can clear your mind. Different tracks you see here, birds flocking around, you know, curious of you, you know. You can't beat this. Can't beat it. All right. We're going to end the hike here and the little getaway. I just want to say something. You know, I said it before. It was like minus 17. I seen reports with the wind chill and stuff here. Maybe regular temperatures in the single digits. Now it's going to get up to 20-some degrees today, which, you know, people are going to think, well, that's not warm, you know. But let me tell you this. I witnessed this before, and this is why I always do this. After 3 days or so of that, single digits and wind chills that cold, and you know that the next day or so, you know, it's supposed to, you know, no wind, hardly any wind, but get up in the 20s with sunshine, it makes it feel like it's springtime to you. I'm telling you, it does. Like Mike, you know, it was single digits this morning. I have my hands out. The sun is actually warming me. It actually works. So it is a beautiful time to be out here. I'm telling you that. You know, some people might think you're nuts, but the people that do this and know this part of it, I'm telling you, it is a best time to be out on, you know, you got fall and everything else, but anyhow with that, but yeah, I had to come out, so I figured I'd bring it with. I'm filming with a new piece of equipment here, so I don't know how this is going to turn out, but I figured I'd try it. Just come down here and you know, witness this. This is beautiful stuff. It always is down in this area. There's a lot of mixture of different kinds of vegetation and such. But I'll give you the words of wisdom. Again, some of my own experience, or you know, maybe I read somewhere or whatever. You can take it like that too. I'll pass them on, but sometimes the best place to be is alone. Those are words of wisdom. Don't feel ashamed of that. It's good to be alone. You get to think, do, eat, whatever you want to do for that whatever period of time you're alone. You want to be alone for. So, and always remember, get off your seat and move your feet. Thank you for joining me here on the Keystone Hiker. Lots more to come this year. But take this in for now. Beautiful winter scenery here in good old Pennsylvania. Oh, I love it.